Let's do not go to something.
It's maple brown sugar.
Yeah. Get your milk.
If I have to ask.
Get all that heavy. Get your milk. It's nice milk, whatever milk you like. Unless you like this milk, I'm not sure.
Why would you put any kind of milk you like? Why would somebody put chocolate milk in oatmeal?
Don't put chocolate milk, children, unless you want to get a sugar.
But because chocolate milk will savor the oatmeal and make it unhealthy.
No. I want to sit right there. I'm going to get you. But I think you might want to stay.
It's gonna get
Now, get the butter. That's how much you should put in.
Oh my gosh.
Unless you're stupid enough to put more than that, you can go on ahead and get your big heavy milk. Unless you have easy milk,
Easy milk.
then you see here, get a close up. We gotta put the thing in. Now, pour. Don't pour too much, or you're gonna make some oatmeal soup.
Oatmeal soup.
Here we go. I'm pouring it. I'm pouring it. Ah, spilled in my face. That should be good. Hope it's not soupy. We're not. We're making oatmeal. So, we gotta do the other bowl too. Okay.
All the people, all the many over-exaggerated people are gonna see you in your pajamas.
Who cares, pajama haters? I'm wearing pajamas. Now we get a real heavy mixture of milk and throw it right there and then open. Wait 1 minute, please. Open the refrigerator. Stop spinning around.
I was spinning you around to keep them busy while you were trying to struggling open the refrigerator.
Now we can put it in the thing. But first, take the utensils out. You don't want to cause a fire or anything like that.
And if you were at your grandma's house, they would go.
Nuts.
They would go wham, 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 and then all you could hear at work is a button open with a switch. Yeah, you know what I mean.
But if you can't, if you can put 2 at a time, that's great. But this big old microwave can only do 1 at a time. 1 at a time. And don't forget to close it, or you're gonna cause a big issue. Now, what minute was it? It's like 1, 0, 0. Okay.
1, 0, 0.
0. What was it again? 0. Got it. Press start, right?
Like yes.
I got it. Now we gotta wait for the oatmeal to
Should we
cook.
do that fast thing where you spin until it gets out?
So, I'll show you a little bit about myself. I'm a duck. My favorite color is duck. My favorite friend is duck. My favorite love is duck. I'm in love with duck. I'm friends with monkey and bird. My daughter is bird. The one I hate the most is monkey and Miss Sassenbottoms. Do you want to go see her? Or, well, her cousin?
Miss Sassenbottom's cousin, breadcrumbs, graham cracker. This is breadcrumbs, graham cracker.
Here she is.
Yes, and yes, don't judge us. It's a pom-pom.
What you talking about? Ain't no pom-pom. I'm beautiful. Now, I'm camera shy.
Okay, that was our time with the ducky top. That was a terrible top. I hope my oatmeal turns out okay.
If it turns out like this, you just need to stir it up. Don't get too alarmed. Stir,
Alarmed.
stir, stir, stir. Stir, 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 stir. Now I just put it over there and let it sit. Time for Sabria's big spoon.
And we'll be back with Ducky Talk.
Which is just a commercial about a duck talking. Ducky Talk is mostly about me. People everywhere around.
So if you want to know more about the toys that we use, just ask a question and hope we answer it. Get out of the way, you stupid duck!
Yep, so listen to our channel and it will be good. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. Yes, yes. We need our likes and subscribe to keep this channel rolling. If you even see these videos, of course, you might be spying on us. You dirty little spiers. Now let's go on to modern life.
The modern duck sits in her tree.
But falls down because he had to pee. Don't you see that the ducky that fell out of the tree?
Okay, that's enough of ducky talk. Just enter her. My oatmeal. And look at that curl.
We'll have some oatmeal in no time. Mine seems to need to sit out too. We're gonna let our
Your oatmeal looks white.
oatmeal sit out and dry.
Okay, and that's the end of the cooking show.
Bye bye.
Like and subscribe.